Hello, welcome to GK Coder. In this video, we are going to talk about uh, how to create a venue from number 1 to hundreds. If the number is divided by 3, uh, console log print fizz. If number is divided by 5, print buzz. If number is divided by 3 and 5, this the print FizzBuzz. So very simple challenge. Before moving to the video, you try first. If you can't, please call with me. And so let's start. Okay, go to the VS Code. I'm going. First of all, I'm for loop using that I equals 1 and I less than equal to 100, and after a loop add 1. So that's the main code you want, right? So next, let's check out is it working or not. Console log I clear and node.js. Sorry, I didn't save anything. Let's see. Yeah, it's working. Can you see it? It's working now. Now our challenge is in the three. You want to not show the tree. You want to show it is fish. In here, you want to show it bus. In here, you want to show it fish bus. That's the challenge you want to do. So I think, yeah, let's say if mod I mod 3 equals to 0, then console dot log fish fish else if I mod 5 equal to 0, then console log bus. Sorry. Now, yeah, I think we're done. If not, then console log I. Let's try it. So I think it's not such a big issue. It's not harder, but if you're new to here, so, yeah. See, 1 2 fizz, but the problem is it's showing fizz here, and after 3, so we want to hide the 3, hide the 6. So what can you do? And one code missing is in 15 we want to show FizzBuzz. So we want to use and boolean here, say and I mod 5 equals to 0, console log FizzBuzz, and fizz if 3, and else if I mod 5, yeah, 5 and 0, then cancel log dot log, yeah. uh, what's the buzz, yeah, buzz. Let's see, clear the terminal, then nodeapp.js command, yeah, almost working, but the issue is why number 3 is printing. So what I'm doing is I put a else tag here, then bring the code here, and save, again clear the tab, clear, then not app.js, let's see it's working or not. 3 fish, 5 bus, yeah, and the 6 is again fish, and 9 fish, 10 bus. So the issue is you want to put the, yeah, if number is, first of all you want to this is synchronous programming, it's not asynchronous programming. So if line by line is working, the first of all the first number is come, the first number is divided by 3 or 5. If not, they move to the other condition. Is 3? No. Is 5? No. Then it's print number 1. Then if come number 3, the first condition asks if 3 is divided by 3 or 5, 3 and 5. No, it's only divided by 3. Then it's moved to the second question you have. Then console of fees. In 15 is divided by 3 and 5. So it's condition return the value on in the FizzBuzz. So that's that's the end of this video. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you want more any solution, please comment here and I will catch you. Yeah, cheers, bye.